Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture. So in this lecture, we will see another type of staircase, how it has to be done, and also we'll try to see how to give the glass type of staircase. So in the previous lecture, no, we had created a kind of a stair, L type of stair. So we'll try to see what all modifications we can do. For example, let me start from here. Okay, I'll make one stair here. So I'll go to the stair option and let me take this particular stair. Any stair you can take. And let me start up to here. And from here, let me escape. And from here, I'll give like this. So this is wrong. You have to come here and make it to left. Then it will be all right. And give up to here. That's good. Right? So now let us say, I'll say finish. And if I click on this, and show that in the 3D, so this is how that staircase looks, right? Now let us say I want one more stair like this. For the same thing, this is one landing. I want one more stair in this direction. So how shall I do that? It's very simple. So what you're supposed to do, click on the stair, go to the edit stair option. And now this portion I want to replicate here. This portion I want here. Just click on this portion. So it is selected. So you have this option called as draw axis or mirror. Anything is fine. Click on this. And this is the center portion, right? From the center, I want it here. Click on this midpoint, drag up to this level here, finish. Okay, it has gone away. So let me do it once again. Control Z I'll do. So, let me click on this and let me pick the midpoint exactly. Okay, I'll select on this first. Now I'll click on this. So this is my midpoint. That's it, finish. So you see it has come here and I'll say okay. Now let me show you that in the 3D view. See, this is how my staircase is looking, right? Nice, right? So in the same way, let us say I want this particular flight, whatever I've given, it has to come from on the other side also. What I'm basically trying to tell, this flight should come from here. So I should get a one landing which has 4 different flights. We can do that. Simple. This is what, just select on the entire staircase. Go to edit stairs. Now this is what I want to replicate, right? Click on this. Then go to this option called as draw mirror. Click on that. So this is the center line. If you keep your cursor here, it will show you the midpoint. So this is that point. Select from here to here. That's it. You see, it is created here. It is replicated here. You say finish. Now you see in the 3D. So sometimes you find such type of staircases, isn't it? So this kind of staircase also can be done. So it has only one landing, but you can take, these are the flights what you have from here to here, and this will go to the next floor. So this way you can do whatever you want to do. Got it? The same staircase you can convert in other form also. Now you know how to use this mirror command. No, we can make use of it. Fine. Now we'll do the last type of staircase, that is a glass type of staircase. I'll go to the stair option. Let me keep this assembled stair only. This is my assembled stair. Okay, the first one. And let me start with the circular stair. I'll click on the circular, this option. Full step spiral, all this one. Anything is okay. I'll go with the second one. Not an issue. Second one, what is the difference between the first one and the second one? Here you get a landing. Here you don't get a landing. Click here. Just, yeah. So right now I'm left. No, that is okay. So we'll bring it little closer. Yeah, this is sufficient. I'll select here. Let me take some steps. Then again, I'll come here and let me keep it here like this. Okay, wait. So it has to come in circular order. Yeah, now it is fine. Go, this is landing. And then from here, let me bring it completely. And I'll say finish. So let me see how it looks in the 3D. So where is that? Yeah, this is my circular stair. See, this is how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks. Looking nice. So one thing is that, I don't want the handrails. Let me click on that and I'll delete it. Click on the handrail, these things, and you delete it. This also you select and you delete it. Okay, entire thing is gone. Control Z, it will come back. Else from here you can undo. Click on this and delete it. This whatever steps I have put, no, actually there are glass steps only. Let me change it to glass. I have changed it, but still I'll give a different color to that. Okay, I'll click on this. I'll go to edit type. Here you see run type. You have to create a duplicate and do. Already there is a duplicate which has been created. Now I'll go to the run type. Here you see metal stainless steel I have given, thread material. So let me select on that. And here let me go for this color. See, this is what I had given. It's a glass only, but still I'll give a different thing. What you can do, no, you just write here, create new material, and right click here and rename it as uh, staircase, staircase glass thread. Any name you can give, glass thread. Finish it off. Write number 008. It will come at the top. Click on it, and go to new this thing. From here, you click on the appearance library. Go to the glass option here. So a lot of glasses here. Okay, here, like glazing. Shall I click? So a lot of glasses here. Let me give some, dark color here. Shall I go with this one, dark red, or shall I go with this gold color? I'll double click on this gold, and I'll finish it off. So it will come. See, it's updating. Okay, this is okay. I'll say okay. So that staircase glass thread material I've given. Here riser, I've switched it off. So riser is not shown here. If you want the riser to be shown, you can click here, and for the riser, you can give a different option. Right now, it is not activated because this is not switched on. You switch it on, it will be activated and give a different material. You can do that. I'll switch it off for time being. I'll say okay. I'll say okay. So now it will take time. It will take some time to show here. Let me write CA canvas theme. Okay, it's taking some time because that rendering view will take some time. Okay, so it's not coming, but it will come. You don't have to worry. Okay, usually because of the rendering, no, it will take time. Here it's not coming. We can do one thing. Again, I'll select on this. Go to edit type. Go to this option here. So staircase glass thread I've selected, and see, still it is updating. No, so that is why it's not coming. So once it is completely updated, it will be reflected here. So for, yeah, I think now it's fine. See, now it's updating. That option is vanished from here. No, now you say okay. You say okay. You say okay. It's not coming still. Why it's not coming? Let me select. Go to edit type. Go to this option. Go to this option. Still it is coming updated. No issues. We'll do one thing. I'd given a different material there. Or shall I? This glass is anyhow. We'll do one thing. Okay. Let me select on this. Go to glass. Van glass. Or this gray glass. Because what happens, what happened? Yeah. Let me go back. Cancel. Go to this option. Staircase glass. Coming. Still it is updating. Okay. So it's taking long time. So it's better you go with a normal this glass and it will be updated. Still it is taking time. Shall I go with something else? I'll go on carpet. Okay. Let me select the carpet and I'll say okay here. I'll say okay. Say okay. This carpet and all, you see it's coming. Same way the glass also will come. You don't have to worry. The same way the glass also will come because of the rendering quality. It will take some time. You practice, you go and apply glass here and wait for some time. Okay, those things will be activated. Got it? In the same way, this side one, whatever you have, right? This one. So this side, if I want to click, I just have to keep my cursor here. Click here. Click on the tab option. Only then it will be selected. See? So how did I do? If I directly select here, this side portion will not be selected. Entire staircase is selected. So in that case, just keep your mouse lower. You keep it here, okay, below. Just keep it here. Click on the tab option. So the moment you click, no, you see support stringer is selected. Now you click on that. Now go to edit type. So there is a material by category. Click on that. Whatever material you want. Suppose if you want this, whatever you want, you can select. Shall I go with this kind of ceramic tile for time being? I'll click. We usually don't give, or let me go with this cherry color. Okay. I'll select this cherry color and I'll say okay. And I'll say okay. That's it. So you can see this color has changed. So this way you can have your staircase and all. And this glass also you have to change. It's not happening yet, but you can do it on your own. Got it? Yeah. So I hope you have enjoyed my lecture up to here. You got an idea how to prepare such kind of staircases and all. Glass staircase is also understood. So try to practice up to here. But in the main model, what we had done, we'll keep the normal dog-like staircase. So staircase, everything I've explained you have to just practice it. And I'll see you back in the next lecture.